What if you could build a data pipeline just by describing what you want? With Declarative Pipelines in Qlik Talend Cloud and Claude Code in VS Code, I can use natural language to generate YAML and commit that to Git and have Qlik build the pipeline from that definition. Let me show you how easy it is. Okay, let me give you a crash course in how declarative pipelines work. I have my Qlik Talend Cloud pipeline project. I have my source and my landing task. This project is connected to my GitHub repository. Just for reference, here's my GitHub repository. I also have VS Code attached to my repository, as well as Claude Code. In Claude Code, I'm simply going to provide a natural language prompt that sets up the requirements, add a new storage task based on the existing landing task. In the storage task, add a new calculated column named cancel status. Here are the requirements for the canceled status column, type string, length 3. If the column canceled_at is not null, set canceled status to yes. If canceled_at is null, set canceled status to no. Use an add column transformation because canceled status does not currently exist. Also, configure the storage task to run once every day at 12 a.m. Eastern. Update only the declarative pipeline YAML files required for these changes. Do not delete or replace the existing landing task. Let's execute this. So after I send this prompt, Claude Code takes a few minutes to reason through the request, read the project instructions in the Claude Markdown, and understand how the Qlik Talend Cloud pipeline is structured. It then creates or updates the declarative configuration files Qlik needs, the YAML files that define things like tasks, datasets, transformations, source selections, and schedules, along with any supporting project metadata. Once those files are committed to Git, Qlik Talend Cloud can apply the remote changes and use that declarative configuration to build or update the pipeline in the UI. Okay, the process is done, and you can see created a new storage task along with the appropriate project files being updated. Now what we're going to do is go to our source control, and we're going to add a comment, added storage task and schedule. Click commit, sync changes. Now these changes are being written to the GitHub repository. Now we'll go into the Qlik Talend Cloud pipeline project. Click on GitHub, apply remote changes. We can see the changes that are going to be applied by selecting each of the particular files. Click Apply Remote Changes. We're done. Refresh the pipeline, and there is our storage task. If I go into our storage task, there is our new field or column called cancel status, along with the expression. And if I go into the schedule, there's our schedule, daily, every day at 12 a.m. All right, so that's the basic idea. Describe what you want in natural language, let Claude Code generate the declarative pipeline configuration, commit it to Git, and then apply those changes directly in Qlik Talend Cloud. If you want to go deeper, go to the Qlik community, go to events, do more with Qlik, and scroll down until you see from intent to data product pipelines, agents, and MCP. This will give you a deeper dive, and Stefan Biskoff will walk you through an excellent overview of agentic data engineering on the Qlik community. Take care, guys. I appreciate your time. If you have any questions or comments, please put them where this video was posted.